Hello everyone, welcome to SJP Farm. It's so good to be back. So good to welcome us back on this channel. It's a beautiful sunny Saturday morning. I derive so much joy looking at these chickens in the morning, rearing them and carrying out several experiments. Basically, as you all know, what we do at SJP Farm is to simply see how we can enhance the quality performance in our local, our native fowls, our native chickens. We've come this far in this project and it's been awesome all the way. It's been awesome all the way. Okay, for those who don't know, basically what we do is to see how we can have this special breed of Nigeria's native chickens that can be reared to achieve or to attain around 2.5 to 3 kg in about 6 to 7 months. And that goal we've pursued aggressively in the last few years. In fact, I'm glad to show you one of the amazing results we've got. This particular male cockerel you see running around over there is about 2.5, more than 2.5 kg. That was attaining about 6 to 7 months or thereabout. Let me walk you closely to where the cockerel is. The particular one I'm talking about. That's the one I'm focusing. You can see. Right now it's about 2.53 kg in weight, and that was achieved pretty much around 7 months period. In fact, I must tell you that the female offsprings are not doing badly. You can see it. Isn't that amazing? You might want to say, I want to think that it's the foreign species, but it's not. It's not. This particular male was hatched around May 2020. Can you see now? That is it. Pecking. So it's been a beautiful journey all the way. We're still carrying for that experiment to see the best method to achieve a faster weight in about 5 months. I know it can't be less than 5 months at the moment, particularly based on what is at our disposal, the technology at our disposal. But so far so good. We are proud to say that we've achieved 2.5 kg already in 7 months. This red male is another one of them. This is just about 5 months old. It's 2 kg already. just about 5 months old. 2 kg already. So I would like for all of us watching this channel to, if you want to learn, you can ask questions at any time. Feel free to ask us any question. I'm so close to them. They've grown to know me pretty close. They don't even run away anymore. You can say this is 2.5. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? Okay guys, I would like to actually show you, I did promise a couple of guys that I met online that I was going to show them how we go about our synchronized natural hatching process. But what I'm about to show you is not the process per se, because it's been done already, and we have about 4 hens brooding in various nests that we have. Let me show you our nest arrangement. You can see from here. You can see I have 3 nests here. That's our nest arrangement. I have 3 nests here. I have 4 nests here. You can see them. I have another 4 here. You can see them. And another 4 down there. We also do have a nursery where we cater to the newly hatched chicks. Right now, let me show you the 4 hens that are presently brooding. What we had done before now is we had done a synchronized natural hatching process for them. Okay, we had collected the eggs as they were laying, and at the time when they were ready to brood, so I distributed the eggs into the various nests. I'm gonna take us through this process at a future date, step by step, how you can do the same. It's not rigorous. I will show you how you can do the same step by step. Now come with me. Let me show you the first hen that's brooding. I hope you can see it right here. Can you see the hen? It's right there. Okay, that is one of the 4 hens. Let me show you the second one. Can you see it right there? All right, that is the second one. Each of them has, on the average, about 12 eggs. Now, can you see the third one? Looking at me. All right. So let me take you to the 4th one. Let me take you to the 4th one. And that's it. There you go. That's the 4th one. So guys, I pretty much do think you enjoyed this short video. But what I'm gonna promise is I'm gonna take us through stage by stage process how we can synchronize the naturally hatching process for our native hens. Right now we have done this for pretty much before now, so I don't want to go into too much details how we went about it, but I think the next video I'm going to share, I will take us through the journey right from day one. As soon as I notice that 3 or more hens about to lay eggs, or they start laying eggs, then I'll take us through that journey. I mean, it's going to be beautiful. That will take us like 45 days kind of journey. So I would like for you to stay glued on this channel. Stay glued to this channel. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, and I bet with you, you're going to enjoy every moment we share. Every moment you stay on this channel. Thank you for watching. We want to encourage us to like our channel. We encourage you to like it and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.